Alrighty. So this is the weekly maintenance for Plant-B13. Now overall, this is a good looking plant. I have no complaints. This picture is a little bit wonky. This is what happens when you leave a picture with an underbite develop. So it will open up, but the picture lid is not going to be as nice for obvious reasons. Now you may be wondering, boy, he's actually spending a lot of time, and seems like he has a lot of plants. And yes, I do have a lot of plants, relatively speaking. I'm not a mega collector. I just specialize in Cephalotus, and just these two variants for now. Now, I do not have to go and inspect these plants in such detail weekly. I may do so every other week, or if things get really busy, once, maybe 3 weeks at the most. However, I do look at them every single day to make sure that nothing crept in, like powdery mildew or bugs. I've never had any issues with bugs because these are grown indoors under controlled environment, and this is a monoculture, kinda. I do have a stray Venus flytrap here and there, and a couple of Sarracenias, but overall I would still consider it a monoculture. The only thing well, see, this is a very old picture right here. It's nice, but it is in the way of some of the developing pictures down here. So because of that, I'm not going to sacrifice these pictures, and matter of fact, I'm going to let them develop. However, I do need to move this a little bit over on this side. So once they start growing, they'll grow out this way, right here. They'll fill in this space, and this little one will fill in this space. And then when time comes, I will cut this thing off. But for now, it's still useful. It can still photosynthesize. I can still feed it. Just think of these pictures as the plant stomachs. The more stomach, the better. This one here is a little bit wonky, so I'll just straighten it up and let it continue growing. Maybe I do want this on this side and not that side. There we go. That's much better. All right, so let's go ahead and feed it. I'm going to feed the really old pitcher full with a solution, no topping off, because it's, well, you know what, let me go ahead and top it off with just regular water to further dilute it a little bit. I'll be nice. And then this pitcher here, couple little bit, top it off, and then let me see, I'll feed this big boy. Yeah, this big boy looks like it wants to eat. I'm hungry. There you go. And There you go. And then these two have never eaten. So let me go ahead, give it a little bit, and let me top it off. So from my experience of feeding cephalotus, the C-Max and the kelp extract by far is the safest and the most effortless to have if you want to feed it bugs. One, you either need to catch it, or two, you need to keep a colony, or three, you just spend a lot of money just buying them through the pet store. However, for those carnivorous plant enthusiasts out there who likes keeping creepy crawlies that eat insects, having a colony of roaches isn't that bad. And for those who are interested in looking and are fed up with crickets, look into Turkish red runner roaches. Very easy to keep. Alright, so that's it for this one. What do you think, folks? Thank you for watching and have a great day.